So, the dreaded tax video. And don't be scared, trust me, this is so easy. Whenever you see this, you're gonna go, ow, well, that's dumb. Alright, so you're going to go to whatever state that you live in. I live in Washington State. I have a business license. And you're going to go ahead and log in. I'm going to do mine off camera. Here, you're going to go over here. This is just how mine in Washington State looks like. Yours might be different in a different state. But you're going to look for business, B&O, excise, and sales taxes. And you're going to click on that. My Poshmark are under my sewing business. So that's why you see this here. It's fine, just whatever. Okay, so here you see that I have Q2 file return. It's outstanding. And what you're going to do is click on File Return. Now, I don't have any business to report because all of my business I did outside of this particular situation. So, because I didn't sell anything, I'm going to hit no business. If you want to, you can upload a file. I don't. I just go down here, and so this is set up as B&O, retailing, state sales and use, retail sales, local tax, local city, state. And again, all this stuff will be different for each state, and I highly recommend, once you get your business license, calling the number that's on there and saying, can you please walk me through what I do? How do I file my taxes? And they will walk you through it, but I'm just going to show you what it might look like. So here I'm going to hit next. I'm just going to pretend to file this and then just go back. So here you're going to write your gross amount for the month. Now if we go back to our Excel spreadsheets, so we're just going to pretend and do this month. So this month, the gross, if you highlight it, down here it shows you the sum. The sum is $1,134.44. So that's what we're going to write in back over here on this other screen. Under gross amount, we're going to write $1,134.44. And then hit tab. Okay, so there, it popped all this stuff up. Then you're going to hit next. Retail sales, and you're going to hit add deduction. And then you're going to scroll down to where it says gross sales collected by facilitator. Check that box. And then right here you're going to type in your gross sales collected by the facilitator. Facilitator being eBay or Poshmark. You're going to type in that $1,134.44. And you're going to hit OK. And then next. And then there you go. Now if you didn't click this gross sales collected by facilitator, then $73.74 would be due. And you don't want that because they already did it for you. So that's why you just have to, under the state sales and use, again, this is just for Washington State, add deduction, gross sales collected by facilitator. Type in that amount, $1,134.44, hit OK, and now it's 0. Okay, and then you hit next, and then it'll just go through, if there's any differences, which there shouldn't be. Next. So how much you claimed, so on and so forth. You're going to have to prepare. You're going to have to do prepared by your name, your phone number, email address, whatever, and then hit submit. I'm not going to do that because that would be an absolute lie because I just made up the numbers in the Excel spreadsheet. But That's what you do. You hit submit, and then you're going to print off the next screen and save that in a file for your accountant or whenever you file your taxes. All right, so that one's pretty easy. Easy bo breezy. And again, this is just for me, my state. Every state is different, but you don't have to do this until you get set up as a business. Once you're set up as a business, then you will need to go in and do this. I recommend, again, doing it for Poshmark, do it every quarter. For eBay, do it every year. And that's just what you're going to have to do, and it's really quite easy. And again, look, total tax due, 0, 0. I will pay nothing for all of this because there's the total tax for this B&O was $534, but then you get a credit for it, so total due. So I will pay nothing to file this today. It's not hard. You just have to put things in the right spot, and as soon as you get that letter saying you are an official business, I would call whatever number it advises you to call and say, will you walk me through how to set this up? And that person, that representative will do it. I had a lady, her name is Sherry. She's delightful. And all my little, and any other business adventure that I've been on, I've asked her, what do I need to do? I have her number. I have her direct line to go straight to her. She walks me through whatever I need to do. And it's been extremely helpful. So, short video, but important video, and tax is not as scary as it may seem. Alright, everyone. Almost done.